Want to see me change out the laundromat? Well, there's nobody here. I hope not. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. This is what it looks like. This ain't bad. If I didn't make any money. Alright, we're gonna change it out real quick. Big one. What I'm talking about. Let's open another one. Big washers. These are 60 pounders. Let's do the 40s. These are when you walk right in the door. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, big washers, folks. Big washers. Bigger the washers, more money they make. Nice thing too is big washers. You don't have to have a lot of turns. I mean, look at this. You don't have to have a lot of turns because they're spending so much per turn, $6 a quarter. They can fill up fast. I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to start giving away crap I find at the laundromat. What do you guys think about that? Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to get some of this stuff. Everybody likes free stuff. I'm going to start giving away the items I find at the laundromat. One thing I like to do is take a coin box and carry it with me. Especially on machines I know don't get as much money. Instead of taking it out and dumping it in the bucket, I'll just carry one of them with me for a little while. I know it seems weird, but it works. Here's something to show you. Five of those Horizons, the $2 event price, they just barely fill up one machine, all emptied into one. The 60 pounder fills it up all on its own. That's what I mean by turns. Now the smaller a machine, the cheaper it is. Like I told you before, these Horizons are $2,000 a piece. These 30 pounders, I'm changing out now, they're about 36 to actually about 4,000 a piece. I've gotten them in the $3,000 range, but they're about $4,000 a piece. See, once again, I'm filling up with tray. The farther I got closer to the door, the more money it makes. What's killing me on these 30 pounders is, and I'm going to show you. You see that? Those door seals get junk in them. And what happens is water gets underneath here. And the doors are always closed, so they build up that mildew. It's not mold, it's a mildew. And it just gets horrible. Nowadays they make those door seals in black so you don't see it as much. But you will fight that. Let's see how our dryers did. Let's see how our fancy dryers did. Let me get rid of some of these keys. big enough bucket, folks. And I still haven't changed out Crestwood Rock's machines yet. Top loaders. These young people all love top loaders. I mean, look at this. This is a dryer, for frick's sakes. Look at all that. I'm going to show you this bucket. I can't even put this in the damn change machine. Okay? I'm probably screwing myself a lot, but look at that. I gotta roll the damn thing in here. Rule 1, folks, we lock ourselves in. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do that. Because that bucket, that's a cheap bucket. Guess it's a good problem to have. So you think there's a change shortage, huh? I can feel me dropping them on the floor. I feel like I'm feeding chickens. Now this change machine was eating change. People weren't bringing it back. Well, what happened is it ran out of change a couple times. And this is what happens. I was barely able to fill these hoppers before. Now we're up in here. What's going on is people are bringing money back. Now before I said I like to test my change machine before I leave. I always put $1 in each bill validator. Always. I used to not do this, and I'd get a call like an hour later. Hey, your change machine ain't working. There we go. And people love this bill breaker. They're using the hell out of it. They're even putting 5s back in it now, so it's reloading itself. Let's see if that works. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you something I've been finding in my laundromat that tells me people are bringing quarters back in. See? I keep finding these wrappers all the time in here now. So, like I said before, if you pay attention to the trash on the floor and things you see, you'll know what's going on in your laundromat before you even watch the video. So when I start seeing those rolls, quarter roll of paper laying around, because why would you throw it away? I mean, the garbage is not for you to throw stuff away. The garbage is for me to throw stuff away. That's how this works. But like I said, the more garbage, the more money you make. So the more the merrier. Let's go to laundromat number 2. This is going to be the gun and knife district. Last time I filmed this, I forgot to leave the sound on. So this time, I won't forget that. Well, the gun and knife district. Look at this, look at this. Oh. Time to go.
You own this place?
I work here.
Do you have lighter?
No, I don't smoke, sorry.
Okay.
See, you never know what you're going to find in here. Never know what you're gonna find when you come into this one. That's part of the excitement is. He jumped up out of like he's gonna get nailed or something. I didn't mean to scare him. Just said he had to go. And there he goes. He almost scared me as fast as he got up. I thought he was gonna whoop my ass, you know what I'm saying? I thought he was gonna whoop it. I thought I was gonna get my ass beat there for a minute, folks. Trying to have videos of Keenan getting beat up. Well, at least that'll add to the video excitement. The reason laundromat owners hate the doors open is because what happens is even on these hard mount machines, people jam the door into the next door, or the kids come running through with a cart and they hit that glass. Man, they just tear them right up. I mean, like right now. So that's why my habit is to shut them. I know an hour from now won't make a difference, but. Well, that's the gun and knife district, which we almost got jumped. Yeah, not really. I don't think the guy would have jumped me. I did scare the crap out of him, so if you guys want a video where we scared somebody, we just scared the shit out of that dude. And he had a mask on. I thought that was cute. But now we're going to go to the other laundromat, laundromat number 1 I bought. Well, I ran into a snag. What the problem is there's a customer in there. And if it was just a normal customer, I'd probably film. But it's this creepy old lady that I have that goes to this laundromat, and you'd be like, well, she's just an old lady. She'll actually take the out of order signs off machines so people screw it up. She will actually unplug machines. She hates anybody going there. She's really weird. And then all this laundromats have these Jesus material, the Bibles, all the little books. I don't mind it. I kind of leave it. People are good about it. You know, they put it in one spot. She likes to throw it away every time that she's there. So I will literally go to the garbage can and she will have literally thrown this stuff away. And it kind of sucks because she's just now starting to do her laundry. So I'm not going to film this because it may freak her out. I don't know. I've called her out a couple times in this laundromat. I've actually said, hey, look, I see you on the camera. I know what you're doing. And she just goes, I didn't do nothing. I even showed her the footage and she still denies it. I'm like, I don't know if she's a hypochondriac or she's just got OCD or what her issue is, but she's got some mental issue. And she just, it's nuts. So I'm not going to take this camera in because I'm just afraid of what would happen. If you notice a light flashing in the background, I got these LED lights for this laundromat, and they weren't as good as the other brand I bought, and literally the panels like come unwired. So I got to go and plug that. I ordered new lights. In about a week, a couple days, I should have them. And then you'll see me put them in. I have all LED lighting in my laundromats, even in my drop ceilings. It's the only way I'd go. If you're going to do a laundromat or a business or anything, it's so cheap nowadays. Like, it used to be expensive. It is so cheap now, and they last so long. That's the only way I go. LED on everything, because you got to keep cutting your costs on your business as you go. So I'm going to go change this out real quick. It's not going to be real exciting. You've seen them before at this laundromat. This laundromat, I've been changing out kind of regularly, so it's not as epic as the other one, the first one.